Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by confirming you have two monitors connected and powered on. Note each monitor resolution, for example 1920x1080 and 2560x1440, so images scale correctly. Place your chosen wallpaper files in one folder for quick access. Name the files left and right to avoid confusion during assignment. Right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings to confirm monitor arrangement and numbers. Keep both monitors connected. Open Settings, then go to Personalization and Background to start assigning wallpapers. Choose Picture and click Browse to locate your left monitor image file. Right-click the image preview and select Set for Monitor 1 to assign it specifically. Repeat by selecting the right monitor image and choose Set for Monitor 2 accordingly. Use the Choose a Fit drop-down to select Fill, Fit, Stretch, or Center for each monitor. Confirm both images display correctly and adjust scaling if any blur appears. If you want one image across both screens, choose Span and supply an image size to the combined resolution. For example, use a 3840x1080 image for two 1920x1080 monitors to avoid stretching. Use third-party apps like Display Fusion for wallpaper profiles, hotkeys, and per-monitor control if Windows options feel limited. Always use PNG or high-quality JPEG files that match monitor resolutions to prevent blur. Save your display profile after final adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.